peoples. And we're blessed for this month. We are celebrating the Indigenous Peoples Month. And pwedeng magpaulan. Hindi ko ba nagagawa yung sound pa natin? Ayan. So we are really blessed. Ito is the concrete evidence kasi umuulan. I would like to consider this as a blessing. Huwag na kong payong. Ang mga igorot hindi nagpapayong pagka umuulan. Kahit na nakadarit ng indigenous okay? So, allow me to borrow the word indigenous peoples or your acronym IPs that would be my basis in my sharing with you this morning. So I'd like to say that I stands for very important, and P stands for persons or people, and the letter S stands for significant and very special people. So that when we say we are indigenous peoples, I would say we are very important persons as we are significant and special. Nag-aagi po ba kayo doon? Yes! Nag-aagi po kayo, pumalakpak na po kayo. Ayun. But this identity carries with us, I would say, the moral and existential obligation and accountability to stand out and live out not only on words but above all in action, living our identity as important person as we are special and significant. Nasabi ni Sir Kari kanina na the significance of our being indigenous peoples is not merely on the celebration of our culture and tradition as we now see in this celebration. We are identified not only of our dresses, as we will witness in a short while. We are identified in the celebration of our rituals, our culture and tradition, but above all, to show that we are stand out not only back home, but in foreign lands like in Hong Kong, that we witness to our identity as indigenous peoples, as real people doing concrete action, not only for ourselves, but for our fellow indigenous peoples, and above all, back home for our country by our concrete manifestation and witnessing of our action. So yan po. I'd like to personally appreciate and congratulate the organizers. Thank you po. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga organizers. Nakakatabang puso po. Kasi kahit na po nandito tayo sa foreign land, ay pinapakita natin ang ating identity bilang indigenous peoples. And this make us proud. And don't you know, almost all international communities, international finance institutions strongly recognize and fight for our rights as indigenous peoples. I recall when I served as consultant of the affected indigenous peoples of the Binga in Ambuklaw Dam. If you have recalled the rehabilitation which was founded by the International Finance Corporation, we fought back. We presented the concerns, the development concerns and issues of our indigenous peoples who were affected, even the construction of the dam way back 1950s. And we are glad the International Finance Corporation, through its compliance advisor ombudsman, had responded, had requested the project proponent, the SN San Roque Power, ISN appointees, to look into the concern of our indigenous peoples. And that is something that we need to be proud about, not only back home, but wherever we go in the world. So I ask the question as we celebrate this month, are we ready to witness our identity as indigenous peoples?
Yes!
Not only in our country, but in all other countries?
Yes!
Like in Hong Kong?
Yes!
Sabi nga po ni Sir Kerry, hindi lang sa words, kundi action. I would like now to pose a challenge. Those who had said yes kahit na umaampon, kahit na umuulan, I'm going to sing a song. I'm going to sing a song. Sana hindi mas lalakas ang ulan. Sabi niyo, you are more than willing to witness your identity as indigenous peoples, not only in words and actions. I'd like to invite everyone for a community dance as I sing this song entitled Cordillera. We have watched the very beautiful dances from the different regions, and we would like to merge all those beautiful dances by one performance as I sing. Okay ba po sa inyo yun?
Yes!
Yung hindi sasayaw, hindi IP! Sige!
Amin tayo nagsala, we can enjoy.
Hey! Hey! Cordillera, oh Cordillera, ating nagulo ng disiplinado. Ito ako kaya, adang kumanbay-bay na namin. Palisay may katawid din, hindi natandaan. Oh yeah! Dahil hindi siya sayaw!
Go, Mami! Go!
Magbibigay lang si San Atashe ng reward sa mga sumayaw. Na ay masundana gusto kayo
Yan, napasayaw din sila.
Hey! Cordillera, oh Cordillera, ating nabulong. Thank you so much for dancing. Ginado, o akong bayang, adong kumagbay anak. Pangay pagkakawin hindi katalagan. Hey! Cordillera, oh Cordillera, hey! Ating nabulong ng disiplinado, o abot bayan, adang kumanbay-bayan lang. Pansay may pagtawid din, hindi katalagan. Hey! Dungdung ay situnggilan, insinali dumaan. Dungdung ay situnggilan, insinali dumaan. Mabuhay